Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create these quad lace braids in the Dutch braids. First I create the partings. You need the middle parting that goes from the front until the back of your head. Then I will take the other side and separate the front piece into triangles. I start the braiding with the topmost, spray some water and take 3 small strands from the front. Then I start to move strands alternately from side under to the middle. I add hair only from the right side of the braid. Left under, no addings, right under, add hair, left under, right under, add hair, left under, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating like this until you braided the triangle section inside this braid. Next, I create the similar braid as a mirror to the knotted triangle. Again, 3 strands. Start to move them alternately from side under to the middle. And this time, add hair from the left side of the braid, so above the braid. Bring the right strand under without addings, and on the left side, add again some hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. And as you can see, the first braid followed the right side of the parting, and this one will follow the left side. So the braids will come closer to each other than what they would be if I would be creating normal Dutch braids. When these 2 triangle braids are on the same length, I release the elastic from the first braid and put outmost strands together, so right strands together, left strands together, and the middle strands together. After that, I continue braiding as a Dutch braid, and I add hair from the both sides of the braid. So left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Keep on repeating like this until you added all the hair from this side inside the braid, and after that I continue the braiding until the end of the hair without addings. Next, I will repeat exactly the same to the other side. So you need again triangle partings. Start with the topmost with 3 strands. Move the strands alternately from side under to the middle and add hair from the above the braid. So on the left side, right under without addings, and left under with addings. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. And as you can see, the braid will follow the left side of the section. Continue like this until you braided the whole triangle shape into the braid. Next, I will create the another triangle braid as a mirror. So again, take 3 strands from the front and start the braid. This time, add hair above the braid. So from the right side of the braid, left under, right under, add hair. 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 Keep on repeating until you braided the whole section inside the braid. Again, when the both triangle braids are on the same length, put rightmost strands above each other, leftmost strands above to each other, and the middle strands together in the same way, and then continue braiding, creating only one braid and adding hair from the both sides of the dot braid. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!